All right, so today I'm gonna put on some lights so you can see me. Let me put on some lights so you can see me. All right, so today wasn't so eventful, I guess, but that's better. That's better. All right, so today wasn't super eventful, but you know what? All weekends don't have to be. We relaxed. I did a little bit of writing, probably not as much as I wanted to. I'm gonna go back to that after this video. And what else did I do? I feel like I did something productive. Maybe it wasn't. I can't remember. Regardless, I'm excited for this week because hopefully this isn't like slanted. Doesn't matter. I'm excited for this week because I will be getting some news. Regardless of whether it's like amazing news or not, I will be getting some news. And what else? Oh, I did work on my picture book this week. I'm trying to, as much as possible, just let the ideas flow, because this is a picture book that I do think is gonna be pretty awesome. But as I mentioned before, you know, as a writer, you think for the most part all of your writing is good, but we'll see what happens. I don't have anything specifically planned this week. I need to get back into my running routine. I had Pinkberry this week twice. I didn't know Manila had Pinkberry till my wife told me. Dangerous, very, very dangerous. There was a beautiful sunset. We get really nice sunsets here, especially with our view. That's it. That's really it. That was our weekend. That was today. And I'm excited to get back into a little bit more detail of some of the vlogging. Tomorrow we'll have another series about generating flash drafts. That'll be our last session for flash drafts. So if anyone is watching along, that will be our last session for flash drafts. We're gonna be moving on from there. Feel free to check that out before you look at any of the videos. Share them with friends, share them with educators, share them with whoever. But other than that, that's it. I hope you had a really great week. And other than that, yeah, enjoy, stay blessed, stay safe, and yeah, wear a mask. Peace.